Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Orphanage Management System PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the SAM control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Here you can explore your project folder. Then click the readme text. Here you can see the project URLs and then login details. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Click the DB name, you can view the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the table data. For Windows user, open the SAM control panel, then you can getting this page. So here you can start the Apache and MySQL. Then click the MySQL admin button. It will promote you to the web browser. Then you can able to see the backend database tables. Next go to the Visual Studio Code. Explore the web folder. Here you can see the project delivery files. Explore the JS folder. Here you can see the Angular JS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then you can see the HTML files and then PHP files. So next click the readme text. Copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So this is our project homepage. Here you can see the orphanage names and cities. Here you can click the category. Here you can filter the details like category wise. So then click the orphanage name. You can view the orphanage details, or else you can click the view all button, so you can see all the orphanage. Here you can filter the details like category wise, or you can filter the details like city wise, and then you can filter the details like stent wise. So click the orphanage name, you can view the orphanage details also here, and then click the Google map. Here you can see the orphanage location, and then click the message. Here you can give your messages. Here you can enter your name and then enter the feedback. So and then click the submit button. Here you can post your feedback. Next login the admin. So this is admin homepage. Admin can create the orphanages and manage the orphanage details and then view the messages. So click the create message. Here you can enter all the fields for add the orphanage details. Here you can enter the name, manager name, and then number of people, bank details, address, and then select the type, and then select whether it is paid or non-paid. So once you enter, click the submit button, it will be added. What are the orphanage details have been created, you can view here. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. And then click the image. Here you can upload the image. Here you can select the file and then click the submit button. Once you do that, the image will be uploaded, and then click the update map. Here you can update the location. Just drag and drag the red bubble where the location you want to update. And then click the update geo button. It will be capture the latitude and longitude of the Google map. Here you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. And then click the view message. Here you can view the messages. So this is the Orphanage Management PHP web application.
Code Shopping.